The Curious Calculator. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to solve exponential equations using logarithms. And to do this, we're going to be using the inverse property shown here, which states that the log with the base b of b to the x equals x. And this is because the logarithm function and the exponential function are inverses of each other. So we're going to be going through a few examples here with each of them increasing in difficulty. Let's get started. The first one we're going to be looking at is 3 to the b equals 17. Now we want to utilize this property here. So if we can take the log of both sides with a base of 3, then we can undo this exponent right here. And so that's going to be log 3 of 3 to the b equals log base 3 of 17. And now that undoes that. So this on the left side is just going to equal b. And that's going to be b equals log 3 to the, log base log base 3 of 17. And then you're just going to want to plug that into your calculator, but for today's video, I'm not going to be plugging those in. I'm just going to be leaving the answers like so. All right, let's move on to the next one here. We have 5 times 18 to the 6x equals 26. All right, the first thing we're going to want to do here is divide both sides by 5. So we're going to have 18 to the 6x equals 26 over 5. And now we can go ahead and apply a logarithm to both sides with a base of 18 to undo this on the left-hand side. So we have log base 18 of 18 to the 6x equals log base 18 of 26 over 5. And on the left-hand side, we're going to be left with 6x equals log base 18 of 26 over 5. And then we can divide both sides by 6, leaving us with x equals log base 18 of 26 over 5 divided by 6. And that's going to be our final answer for that one. And I have one more here. Let's see, this one is going to be negative 2e to the 7v plus 5 minus 10 equals negative 17. For this one, the first thing we're going to want to do is add 10 to both sides. So we're left with 2e to the 7v plus 5 equals negative 17 plus 10. That's going to be negative 7. Now we can divide both sides by 2. So we're left with e to the 7v plus 5 equals, this is supposed to be a negative here. Forgot to drop that down. All right, so we're dividing both sides by negative 2. And so negative 7 divided by negative 2, the negatives cancel, and we're left with 7 over 2. Now we can raise both sides, or apply a logarithm to both sides with a base of e. So this is also known as the natural logarithm, written as ln. So I'm going to write that as ln, and we're going to have ln of e to the 7v plus 5 equals ln to the 7 over 2. And let's see here. Now this is going to undo this on the left-hand side. So we're just left with 7v plus 5 equals ln of 7 over 2. And now we can subtract 5 from both sides. So 7v equals ln of 7 over 2 minus 5. And then we want to divide both sides by 7. So we have ln of 7 over 2 minus 5 over 7. And that's going to be our final answer for that one. I'd like to wrap up with just a little fun fact from philosophy. Did you know that the Greek philosopher Epicurus founded the school of philosophy known as Epicureanism? If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. That really helps out.